Now that you've been making some doodle birds, let me show you what is happening. When you are making the body, that is your creative flow starting to happen. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to think about, where is that beak going to go? I could put it here. I could put it there. I could put it upside down. I could make it open. I can make it crooked. That is creativity. That's creative thinking, where you're expanding the options. It's not about finding the right one. It's all the different ways I could do that. And then from the beak, you're also thinking about the eyes, you're thinking about the legs. That's all the same thing. So let's say I've decided I'm going to put my beak here. That's where I think I'm just going to decide. Then it's working on the details, and you tend to slow down. When I made the swooping, I tend to go really quickly. But when it gets into the details, you start to slow down, you become more specific. So versus just free flowing it out here, now I'm deciding, nope, this is it. This is how big I want it to be. Yep, I'm gonna make it an open one for this case. Then the same thing happens when you do the eye. You start to decide where it is, you start to slow down, think about the details, you take a step back, you might come in and you might make it an enhancement or two. Then same thing with the legs, you might know where you're going to put them, but you might decide, you know what, it needs just a little bit of a knobbly knee on there. Oh, you know, maybe stronger thighs. I'm going to give it stronger thighs for this particular one. And maybe this one is running. So I'm thinking about, how does running look? So I'm actually trying to accomplish something on there. And that is the ebb and flow of a doodle bird, from creativity to focus. And if you want to end on a nice, fun, creative way, then give them each a name and you're good to go.